Welcome! For this, I have already meshes and some animations in the scene. The goal is to trigger the animations with a mesh. I open the animation for the loop and for the entrance of the mouse. In the outliner, I open the Asset Properties node. As you see here, it is not triggered by anything so far, and connect the one-click action to the animation. And is ready. Now you start the animation by clicking on the arrow. Open the loop animation. We want this loop to be infinite, and that is it. To keep these animations, open the scene settings and connect the animations to the on-start animation. This way, you will always load these settings at launch. Make sure to save the scene, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.